Well, more than 5 years after the Edenville and Sanford dams failed, thousands of flood victims are getting their day in court. The long-awaited civil trial started this morning in Grand Rapids, and the question, whether or not the state of Michigan is responsible for the catastrophic flooding. It was May of 2020 when the dams failed, destroying some 2,500 homes and businesses in Midland, Gladwin, and Saginaw counties. For years, there was finger-pointing. Who was to blame? The private owner of the dam or the state who took over the dams after the dam owner declared bankruptcy? Monday, in a Grand Rapids courtroom, the battle began.
This particular lawsuit, Your Honor, has been filed to hold the state accountable. To hold them accountable for something that was predictable and preventable.
Reports state $175 million in flood damage occurred.
It's a blue-collar area. There's not a lot. There's some money here, but not a lot. So people work for this stuff, and it's gone.
Chris and Laura built their lives around the lake.
We had to use snow shovels to dig out the mud, which is more than mud.
It was septic and all the petroleum waste.
Yeah, so we had to dig out that.
Mario Fusco, an engineer with the state of Michigan, was questioned, stating the Edenville Dam was hydraulically inadequate. The suit claims the state allowed the water levels of Wixom Lake to be above the legal standard. But the state says the responsibility of the catastrophe does not lie with state agencies. Trial expected to last 2 to 3 weeks. Our backstory investigative special on the flood and the aftermath is now streaming on Local 4 Plus. We catch up with a variety of families, hold a small town hall in a coffee shop to hear their stories firsthand on what life is like 5 years after the flood.